everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2021 Ford F-150 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight. It's just a regular factory headlight lens, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be down below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the lenses. So to prep them, all you need to do is apply Slip Solution onto the headlight. And with the clean microfiber towel, start removing all the contaminants that the headlight may have. Okay, so we're going to start by installing the piece that goes on the outer section of the headlight. So just apply Slip Solution onto the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And you want to start by aligning this section of the film to the edge of the headlight here. So once you have it aligned on this area, grab your tack solution and apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. That way we're able to tack down and secure it to this section. So make sure it stays aligned and tack it down with your squeegee. So hold it in position with one hand and then with the other one, tack it down. So now that we have this area secured, now we can move on with installation. So with this one, in order to remove the small fingers that we have here, we're going to need to stretch the film up to this edge here. That way it removes the fingers that are in this middle section here and on the top here. And then once we're done with this side, we'll move on to this section here. So in order to stretch the film, lift the film carefully and apply Slip Solution underneath the film. Make sure this area is dry. That way you have better grip of the film. Keep it aligned and stretch it until you reach it to this edge here. So once you have it on the edge, as you can see, all the fingers that were here, they went down and they're tacking down to the panel here. Okay, so hold it in position, apply tack solution on top of the film, and then start tagging it down little by little. Now that this section of the film is secured, we could come back and finish off removing the fingers here. So just apply a little bit of tack solution, and we're going to apply heat just to help the film tack down and sit to the panel here. And just make sure you wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee. That way you're able to tack down the film. And also at the same time, it will help remove any solution that's still behind the film. So tack it down, and you just rinse and repeat until you tack down the film. Okay, so now we're finishing off with the rest of the film. So with this one, all we need to do is just stretch it and make sure it reaches to the bottom edge here of the headlight. So to stretch it, lift the film carefully and apply Slip Solution underneath the film. Place it back down and just stretch it. And as you can see, when you stretch the film downward, the finger that we had here and around this area, they're going to be smaller because of the film being stretched. Keep it aligned and that should be good. So all we have to do now is apply tack solution underneath the film so it stays secured, and then on top of the panel, hold it in position with one hand and then with the other one start tagging it down to secure it in position. Okay, and then just to tack down this section here on the curve, all we need to do is apply tack solution, a little bit of heat, and then just help it tack down, and we should be done. And then once you're done securing this panel, we can move on with the next piece, which is this middle section here. Okay, so to start with this installation, same process, apply Slip Solution, that way we're able to align the film. Slip Solution on the adhesive side as well. So with this one, you just want to start off where you left off. So right here around this curve, That way you have coverage around this area, and just make sure everything stays aligned. So now that it's covered, all we need to do now is just secure the film to the headlight. So applying tack solution, keeping it aligned, hold it with one hand, with the other one start tacking it down. So just make sure this whole section is anchored and tacked down. That way it doesn't move when we're placing down the remaining film here. And now just finish out with the rest of the film. Tack everything down. And then with this film, you are going to need to tuck the film inside the headlight here. That way it wraps around and covers a little portion of the headlight here. So just make sure to remove all the solution behind the film first. Make sure you don't leave any water bubbles, and then you should be good. Okay, and now just apply heat around the edges. That way the film stays tacked down and it doesn't lift over time. And then once you're done, we will pulse heat the entire panel. So once you finish with the installation for the headlight tint, the last thing to do would be to pulse heat the panel. So to pulse heat, all you need to do is apply tack solution all around the film. And the reason why we're applying tack solution is just so the solution can help the adhesive of the film activate faster, and it also helps from preventing to burn the film since there is a wet surface on top of the film. And all you're going to do is just apply heat all around the panel, and we're going to use our microfiber towel to tack it down little by little, and it's also going to help remove the solution that's still trapped underneath the film. So once you're done with this step, you'll be done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2021 Ford F-150. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.